I originally came to KSU's paralegal program as a single mother. I was thrust into the court system and found it to be a very confusing and daunting process. So I needed to rehabilitate myself back into the workforce as a single mother, and was introduced to the paralegal program and thought it would be a great opportunity. I was very surprised to see that it was extremely affordable and that night classes were offered as well as day classes, and I had my entire program planned out within 30 minutes. You get a really good hands-on approach to what is going to be asked of you as a paralegal out in the field. We're taught by attorneys and seasoned paralegals who are giving us invaluable advice. When we have speakers come in, we'll have either judges or other attorneys come in who are able to give us a different perspective than we're getting in the classroom. And I think it's great. Some of the professors ask that you go and actually sit in court and watch the court cases, and I think that is an amazing experience to be in there and watching everything come together that a paralegal would put together in an office and see what that effect is out in the real world. So I think that you get so many opportunities here at KSU to apply your learning while you're still in the middle of your program. I think that there are a lot of opportunities through the job boards that the office provides for the students, as well as opportunities that come through a lot of the professors. Like I said, we've got attorneys and seasoned paralegals who are teaching these classes, and they're being contacted by other attorneys and paralegals who are passing jobs along and asking if they have any students that are available to apply for these positions. So the networking opportunities are amazing while you're in this program, and I think that is just so beneficial. If you've applied yourself, I feel you will have a job by the end of the program if you are a self-starter and you are really invested in this being a career for yourself.